Ghana near we believe in accountability now. We had near my electoral commission a year in the last 8 years. And you see, Yato Abanawie, there has been a change of government. Transition has been smooth. There is calm, relatively calm. Subsequent to that, electoral commission are conducting few elections. A year calm. So for the average and the ordinary Ghanaian, the mind is at peace. Oh, everything is okay. Let's leave them. But you see, you need to flip and still go back to the past and look at what happened in the past. So now analyzes you will come to a single realization that this group of people at the electoral commission messed up and they deserve to be punished or they deserve to be removed. And now I say maybe they don't deserve because of their cause in the past. In line with the constitutional requirement, the only way the president on his own cannot wake up and say, make a PAM electoral commission. So just like it happened in the case of the your friend saying Chief Justice. Petition was submitted and a process is as go through I go through and then the Chief Justice concludes only grounds be worthy to trigger the subsequent process. Now, I think it's understandable. That is part of democracy. I am a bit disappointed because when too many near my cause in the past, I was expecting maybe some value or certain credentials could have been established in this particular instance to trigger the next process. But if this is what has come out of it, I'm sure it's also good for our democracy, because on the other side, few days ago or few months ago, the same process was triggered, and then that got the Chief Justice out. So another process, getting another person out, in the political scene might be interpreted in a different way. You may have your legitimate grounds and so forth, but when you're careful politically, it will also color the government and will be sending different signals out there. Say, when I also believe in democracy, but saying and a state institution head and so forth, what can be so remove. So I think within this particular contest, it was a reasonable outcome. But for me, I think it does not stop us to pursue accountability. It does not also stop us to make sure state institutions, constitutional bodies will be responsible. So the Nipana will not go and assume a posture, say, oh, I am the favorite, I am this aligned to this person, I am the president, this, that, so I can do whatever that I want and get away with it. No. That is the sort of way going forward. May expect say you bet me a year who free who say every individual is solely responsible for the actions and inactions, and the other as a go on toward that you must be penalized for that. Because I am not sure that Jermaine today why the people of Central Union as a were denied constitutional representation for a period of 4 years. She won't get anything sensible to tell you. You understand? And Nipana almost so far that particular fate, a dear bang, and I would expect that because the development they were supposed to get at the time, you denied them, and that was a sacred constitutional requirement. They needed to have a representation, but certain individual, one person at the behest of her twisted discretion, decided I will disenfranchise you, and she did so expressly, using your friends as state winning as a forum. So for me, I think that some of these things cannot go unpunished. You understand? In this petition has failed. There are other avenues of people who were denied that constitutional representation, have any way be now. We need to going forward, we must guard state institutions, especially the fragile ones. And fragile ones, the EC is one of them. In a binance and she knows a binance or buy different government has come, and as human definitely they will try to dance to the tune just to make sure I'm for you. But you see, you are not for anybody. You are for the people of this country, because your allegiance isn't to the person or the buyer, it's to the people, the constitution, and to the flag of this country, and that is to be your sole motivation as all the year. But unfortunately, nobody years so your friends are boss Manasara, and Sambia Nefuna know about proud to the elections. And yeah, they engender confidence, trust, we have a magan and Yanya Hotosum, and appear Jayana, Obia, Nimse, or your test con, your friends executive. Such a sensitive position, now President Akufo Addo Nabesi Electoral Commission, and the umpire, a neutral body that is supposed to, you know, or also by her election. Once sometimes it's not about the outcome of the election, it is the conduct and the behavior of actors around it. So Manfonya certain misgivings, certain doubt to be about your neutrality, and that alone can give them a cause to rebel. And we have sub-region, electoral misunderstanding and as a forum in the sub-region, Oko Sudana, and yes, I'm on Tiasamasiu. Because they felt that the system wasn't fair to them. Burkina Faso and now they see very unfortunately spill over of some of these political misunderstanding are degenerating into religious factions. Man for free say the Islamic rule and the church of mind. So these things, if you don't manage some of these things well, there will be a spillover, and spillover not bad won't be in control. So for me, in as much as electoral commission young final way doesn't absorb them of the criminal activities that they did at the time, the biases that was shown to the people of this country. Ghana for one decided said we are sick and tired of the old regime. We are voting to change government. So we had a massive vote at the Mahama. There was not any electoral commission or commissioner could have done anything to change anything. They had no other option. And even I keep saying this election day so that is why I commended Dr. Bawumia when he did that particular early concession, because at the time NDC and the coalition MPP now electoral commission put two figures squared together, and the silly justification they were selling, they say various way now your agents, they were not allowing them. Since when an electoral commission conducting election the agents man access to figures and then as a forum they wanted to plunge this country into chaos and then as a forum, but because of that early concession and AEC tension and the calm return, that is why we had this kind of peaceful way. That is why I keep commending Dr. Bawumia for what he did on that particular day. But electoral commission quite danger. So for me, electoral commission cannot absorb itself. And then back to the special prosecutor. I think that the noise around this may say is becoming too much. Now NDC for Baba Jama election outcome by quickly, then he issued a statement. I am conducting that. You see, they should be very proactive, not reactionary. Because MPP they're not all penny to the NDC. These things happen different on different occasions. Yeah. So why do you say I'm investigating the MPP, NDC, the Adona, MPP, the NDC last week in media just for cosmetic work? I think, you see, you see a fight corruption. It is not about this comic reactions and as for people must be seen actively on the ground, working for the good and in the interest of the people of this country. Yes, I'm Ghana for so much disappointed. There is nothing that I'll buy Ghana for, because special prosecutor by if you look at the amount of money I sink into that particular enterprise, now I had the outcome. There is nothing sensible to justify. It's the reason why at some point in time there was this heightened cause. Say the special prosecutor office must be disbanded. There is nothing sensible about them rationalizing why they should continue to be paid. Because my culture says in fighting corruption, you don't need many entities, and so for all that you need is political will and commitment on the part of the few actors around to do what they are supposed to do. You understand? And that Ken Ofori Atta is out there. You need Gyamfi, your friend is saying, and it's not anything surprising because the gentleman is in custody. If the processes go through, whether he will be brought back to this country or whatever how you want to do. But for me, whatever it is, Ken Ofori Atta cannot win this particular tag of war going on, because the price for all this thing and the prison a shame. That's what people don't know. Yeah. The price for all this tag between Ghana, US, and then Ken Ofori Atta, and the prison or repatriation, and a tag of shame. Because for a whole finance minister addresses to say Pope war for Parliament, quoting Bible verses and so forth. Today, you've been called upon to come and account to the people of this country. Now, look at what is going on. Well, Ghana is your motherland. You are from here. Yeah. You say home is home. then excusing you from coming back to this country. Now you are fighting the state, using every resources available. So one kasa no krum no, Mahabima. There is nothing that will take me away from this country. And I say, I will not come back to my country. For the end, out there, what is there? Home is home. You understand? People travel for something. In the end, everybody comes home. So at this age, what is it in the United States of America? Even Akufo Addo, who messed up this country, what destroy your mind and you go and the party say, you know, or no one them kroma say. Bawumia and kroma say. So people should not look at it in the other way. The shame alone is enough, because for her finance minister say money no, that should be a big communication. So the state will do whatever they take. My culture say at this time the thing is not within Ghana's purview to determine whether Ken Ofori Atta will come or not. Even the debate when court trial and Ghana will not be part of it. US acting as our proxy, they will go there with legal representation. Ultimately, 7 no the day you decide to say then we go ahead and do whatever that we need to do. But still, I say, oh man, and if he's going to stay there forever, that is up to him. And also widen the scope and make Ghanaians understand. Say, you must be at the time and Akufo Addo's governance, was nothing more than a criminal cartel. It's justified because the whole finance minister who was sitting at the center of this whole financial machinery at the time has decided, say, oh man, and today he's fighting the system because he is the key architect at the center of everything that happened in this country. And then I give credence to the fact that Abine indeed was a criminal organization. And he was in not because say or qualified. He was in because the one for being the president and the friend of and when people get that easy access to places like this, they messed up. Abante ya no nam koko board or kasamo or more. Say no you more my FM. From my FM promotion, all we know and somewhere one deputy director. He got it easy, but when he got there, people were there. Cocoa board has been overstaffed to the sense that work as a good cocoa board. I mean, yes, I do crowd the cocoa board no boka, but they overstaff it. Answer na buying by the corner. And yes, say Nipa go me more appointment letter. And do bana we or more. Problem. There will be a political backlash. The enterprise is sinking. And these people today have the moral audacity out there. So yeah, for me, I think that they can not come to one conclusion. Akufo Addo will remain the worst president in the history of this country because they are dealing with a remnant of bad governance that he left in his wake. These are the facts. What for your finance minister say that alone. Yes, so you walk in a hall of shame. So for me, I think that whether he comes or not, the price is shame, and he's going through it. But finance minister, only a man 40 prison we are. You determine time from now on. I could do nothing or to detention center like a petty criminal, and you think that is okay. The thing has been wrecked. So because in modern governance, there is nothing like keeping the people in the loop. You must always put them in whatever that you are doing. Because if that has been done, I am not sure that the MPP today will have the moral audacity to step out there to talk about cocoa and your friend is considering Nema Akoso cocoa board in the last 8 years. Issue I didn't see. Nothing has happened. The only thing I say who take the side of the cocoa farmer because the anticipation was that I'll get more. Unfortunately, something has happened and price in Akufo and Adiana I happy my price in Akufo beyond the control of government of the day. And it's not just Ghana. Cote d'Ivoire, they are crying the same thing. So it is only out of intellectual dishonesty. And my journalist at radio so seeking to impugn government to say some people at Cocoa Board deliberately ashes that farmers. And now a bina said that say farmers would deserve on farm more. Which is a lie, you understand? Because the facts are quite clear. So Mahama, he made a promise to Ghana for say over the years. Yes, because I cotton cocoa no abontia. FOB price now, you pay cocoa farmer now. You can about 2023-2024. rising here to somewhere around $10,000 and somewhere $13,000 on other markets. At the time, no, not Ghana credit new to discussing. So what translates you can demand it was less than 45% in terms of your friends FOB price. So he says, particular so the translation at the time will obviously go to 60 million, 70 million. That particular promise was honored because Sikana or at the early stages it was around $7,000. $7,000. The government decided to pay $5,000. Yes, what translated into Ghana cedi at the time? It was around your friends 3,600. No, but now dollar no 15 cedis, 17 cedis. Obviously, that amount of money no property. Yes, na $60 million. They would have got to that particular money. So it wasn't as if government had deceived your friends saying farmers. So for a journalist to conduct an interview with Obi seeking to unstated this fact, no said these are the fact. Now I'll try to play politics about it. That is the level of they know that is the level of intellectual dishonesty and how we reduce this politics to. And the government has done something in the history of this country. I'm not sure. Are you aware that today, despite in some Kenya, John Mahama is paying the farmer 90% of the FOB price? Yeah. In the history of cocoa board, 90%. In fact, or buy it from last year at a point now Omokuye 99%. Okay. Even as at last year, you know why? I have the big reason in say na cedi na share appreciate against the dollar. Into 16 now or more the year, you know. Ube won't say Ababa drew at a point, Ababa drew 10. It's Ababa drew 10, then you quickly will have to give more because untimi and kotiku and any day some fan command any other stakeholder. And now we say yes at the point 99%. So if such amount of money and definitely no, you on the side of government won't me any like say a buying any mindset to help farmers because you cannot but the challenge is there has been a downturn cocoa market over the years and that is a fact across board. Say your boy better will be able to determine the price of your cotton exactly. Yet say cocoa producing company 2023-2024 court to say ocean because of mismanagement under the Akufo Addo administration. By the time I catch your company no court to say yen torn because they cut 300 million Ghana cedis So these are the realities. A man for air in the name of politics. And then who's a man for a signboard? Our bonten as for what beside say a ban sign a cocoa syndicated loan you access to 2022-2023. The CEO quickly announced Ghana we are winning off from cocoa syndicated loan. Now say you're coming up with a different financing model. What besides our financing model? No? Because we messed up the books of cocoa board to the extent that we could not go out there to access any loan. Cocoa supply. We couldn't supply. At the end of the day, there was a backlog of about almost 400,000 metric tons of cocoa. Now, cocoa, you could not even supply that amount of cocoa to the farmer. And now these people have the moral audacity. Yeah. Aside that, you messing up cocoa syndicated loan. Then the only financing model are buying by and send the transition to this cocoa bond initiative. Buyer-based financing. And the buyer will give you money where the 80% of the amount will be given to the your friends. Cocoa no. Now buyer now no do sika man or not space or monitor what is happening in the your friends cocoa space. Now price retable format or no catch us because what man was set up price in cotton old price. They will not agree. You understand? And then you now translate it into the state of play. So the fact of the matter is there is a challenge. And for me, the most important aspect of all this conversation has to do with the initiative for EBA. Are you aware that if this cocoa bond idea will go through for the first time, Ghana is going to have a sustained and a guaranteed financing model. I have addressed the challenge of going for cocoa syndicated loan as well because government is coming to borrow from the local banks. Ghana need other banks no sasikan na top bonda sasikan na deba talk cocoa. NTM fasono yam kotua sika ma bonten so ni sasikan will come to Ghana ni a wodu sika na se forum And for me, that is sustainable, and it's going to even help Ghana because henceforth we are not going to borrow in dollar denominations. So that is one good initiative about Bontia. As a Ghana must understand, and on what the opposition should know. Say for the first time, the Mahama said yes, there is a problem. We all appreciate, but I am coming up with a financing model that will address over the years challenge. If there is any busia, Ghana for Ken Ofori Atta timi ko floaty bond awa abonte ma manfo ta menso be floaty bond awa Ghana need the sika to koko so say ye de ankasa ye de sika e na ba beto koko again na oko 2022 2023 koko price na cost so na aban decided not to pay koko farmer na aban say koko for na yasisi o mo ache. So I am coming up with a legislation. That legislation will be that henceforth no government will pay cocoa farmer less than 70% of the FOB price. I am rather tired and this is a casa buying big cocoa farmer. You should look at the long term. Immediately there is a challenge. There is a challenge in Yajatum. But she say Nasafono Diego Kwamuna. Say cocoa price, yeah, that's all China. That's a cocoa price per ton and rise it to $100,000. Automatically, farmer is entitled to not less than $70,000. So it could be $10,000 because he's going to pay not less than 70%. So there is a guaranteed way of making sure say a buying beer in the future cannot take advantage of the cocoa farmer. These are the factual realities. But in the conversations, what is it? Because for them, their interest is about the politics, but the political bit of it, no, be so almost about the saying, and you lose access to cocoa syndicated loan because they mess up big time. Many of the country, procurement are no more in terms of jute sack and then as a forum. Sika ya westi go back to 2022-2023 Auditor General report. Sika ya dema kwa brand money kwa tele wudem so the year monitoring. Ya oti sika na wo yembe show. What I say, they messed the place up. And procurement in the na kwa ye o ya de ne we ba na ya ye o kokra jute site jute sack bra na ya tia oka. Ado de o ko port wa na ya roadu egu ha. I'm told, say, the in the next 7 to 8 years, we will not even need those things. But these people live behind this mess. And today they have the audacity to be walking around talking nonsense as if they care about farmers. When indeed, at the time, farmers, they could have paid them more because the 70 million and the 60 million, they could have paid farmers. Yeah. But today they are telling you, say, I'm not a farmer, no business, a cocoa. Cocoa board no state ben omuja no omu cocoa board the financing they said the necessity omuja in a negative liquidity we are omuko the cocoa board had a negative equity as against positive one in 2016 about they took over. So a chair said everything that happened under cocoa board was a mess up. Road contract award and as a form a husikanum. So for me I think the language must be told. I am a bit disappointed when your friend saying cabinet decision by say going forward, some your friend is saying investigation must be conducted. This thing should have been done long ago. This particular conversation people will not have that moral audacity to be doing around. Yeah, because Nippon around mess up, their expertise when it comes to dirty politics. That is their game. And people they are buying manner, they will mess up. What the man so on your best they are winning say in your position. So opposition so dirty politics, that is what they are good at. And think say politics na asabi abaya the way we do it obi a messy up cocoa board like this your first entity abaya debt producing machine over the years in the finance and everything cocoa board books were so dirty to the stance what the no jail in this state of horror. And unfortunately there is a downturn at the international space and I collide and then opposition not to the first 1 year anything to accuse the government. So for them this is a perfect opportunity for them to visit on it and make sure say they destroy the government. It's the reason why for the first time power, there hasn't been a single propaganda, a single scandal. But cocoa board issue now, you say genuinely, it is not just Ghana, it is happening in Cote d'Ivoire. A man for your home billboard and what is the motive? Modern radio stations and the politics in this country is so cheap, and they allow them to do this because the journalists who are supposed to probe them and ask them all the critical questions, they are not asking. What beside say procurement, what was the reasoning? Who gave them that authorization? Let's say go through procurement. What were the considerations? Because already now some were locked up. NDC but people have been paid. So what beside was what was the motive? When you knew the cocoa board was in debt. And then what began about how we lost the cocoa syndicated loan and why they were not able to provide a secured financing model for cocoa board, because the Mahama there wasn't any available way. That is why they resorted to the buyer finance way, and also it's not guaranteed because so this cocoa syndicated loan now because loan you get guarantee, but the buyer financing regime there is no guarantee because he is looking at the space and the turn of event and all the determine. So the government committed and says, so maybe a person will go by the old price. The question is, do you have money? Because Nippon or Nisikama on Tiasa, so you're going to have a problem. You understand? Yeah. So these are the realities that I think prosecution, criminal investigation, criminal inquiries, and cannot watch Edu and Conquer Metro TV seeking to ridicule. When they are wiring for the past 1 year away, and the dead decision partner when they have better cocoa board by within 1 year, but to me, empty the fortunes of cocoa board. Nobody has been able to mention a single thing the gentleman has done, apart from spurious allegations. Was sister cocoa board sika the Kwaku betina dying into not in before cocoa board before he became cocoa board CEO. And so you see conversation so no be so say a day now things say CEO na ye I mean I'm price yet so. What has he done? It's just a coincidence situation in Aba, and unfortunately, the last time I catch was the most difficult decision to take is you reduce the cocoa farmer in Nisika, because where I'm coming from, I may be biased towards the cocoa farmer, and that was why I told you, said it was a very dangerous political decision for government to take. But Mahama so Tennessee who said cocoa board now buy a debt factory in the and either we find money to shop up the difference or we allow it to go and pass it to the farmer. And yes, sir, cocoa board no sick is able to come out of debt. How do we achieve that? You understand? So it is one of the most difficult political decisions to make. And for me, I think that the president weighing the pros and the cons, and we're coming to the realization said let us share the burden. And in governance, transparency and your friend saying disclosure very, very, very important. Men cost sector being so because as people will not listen to whatever you are saying. The very moment you occupy a place and there is a mess up, let people know. Say this is what has been done and take steps to ensure that prosecution you activate it. And so called national signals blue and now said there is anything people will believe because the what has already been made public. So if there is anything and the conversation stirs up, people will easily believe it. But where nothing has been said, the depth and the nonsense that has been compounded at that particular place. So if you don't tell anybody and something comes up, and at that point, you think people because farmer is looking at Sika about the bottle. But this whole conversation, amount for you officer dollar no swatting. Now a man near months of wire I'm a cocoa farmer and any system million. No, $1 and stabilize the economy and that uniform impact on everybody. And cocoa the value is high as compared to the previous one. These are the honest conversation that we need to have. So for me, I think the MPP is only good at what they are doing, and the Ghana politics are devoid of your friends saying this kind of malice. I'm not sure they will get any space regarding this particular cocoa matter. What I say, the fact of the matter, and say the same situation Ghana is going through, the same situation is going on in Cote d'Ivoire because and produce about 60 to 70% of the whole cocoa you producing. And we must also be looking at how we put value on cocoa. Now it's a billion sada. Maybe any assessor cocoa beans a guinea cotton, or depend on based on demand and supply and nobody tell me. Unfortunately for us and China and other countries out there are also growing cocoa. Then as a form, what I say, and maybe here because of you have galamsey in as for because if you have premium value look around for the 2 years, we will lose it. You understand? So we must begin to look at how we able to process cocoa, add value to it. Now carbon tia, now you be able to determine price because as long as I just go bottom from common chroma pencil and you go sipum the call, I know how to add value to it. Always they will determine the price for us. So I think that this is an eye opener. This is not the time to be blaming Obi. Where there is no fault, you try to find fault. Baby, a buying an cocoa board has gone wrong. It is a state institution. You have every right to criticize Obi. But when nothing has happened, you don't just invent scandals, invent scenarios just to malign certain individuals because you don't like them. It's not about that. It's about when a cocoa board and for me, I think the difficulties are there. But my culture says, yes, amidst the storm. How you are able to calm your composure, being able to come out with solutions, And I think that John Mahama has demonstrated quite clearly, he's on top of his job. That is why what produces that kind of secured financing model now, other things are also coming to play with your cocoa board. So I think that in as much as people are spending propaganda, in as much as the cocoa farmer is disappointed, which is the new, I am telling them, it's not just Ghana, it's across board. It's unfortunate this thing is happening, and it is happening because of systemic failure on our part. Because over the years, we haven't been able to add value. Over the years, any secure source of finance, and I'm for the cocoa come. They have to supply extra cocoa as against the previous price because we are supposed to produce over 600,000 metric tons of cocoa, 800,000. They were able to supply just 400,000 because last year I think for 500 required euro. So what the you need to settle? You need to cocoa beans and the other Sikani you did that. Now I'm the best supply, and papa the best supply, and then these jokers are out there trying to. I think we need to get serious. And I'm urging journalists in this country when they come to your studio, ask them the critical probing questions that will put them on their feet. Because if you give them the microphone and they just say anything and get away, at the end of the day, it's just politics. And where we are today, and I think we've moved beyond that cheap politics. We must be critical, very. We need to make inquiry into issues and ask all the critical probing questions. And I say, Asamaba, Abani, Akena, 1 year near, you scandal, we are by the end, and you have Obia who receive Moya. And also, you are the key architect of everything that happened.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.